This is the second part of the chapter Financial Institutions and Services in SS2. We have already learned the details of the commercial banks and its different types. Now we are going to understand the details of the functions of commercial banks. Here is a chart which gives its details. Always these commercial banks provide three important functions: one, accepting deposits; second, providing loans; and third is other services. Now this table gives the details of the kinds of deposits: savings, current, fixed, and recurring. We must go through the details of each kinds of deposit. One, savings deposit. It offers the habit of deposit in the public. Banks provide low interest rate for such deposits. The depositor can withdraw the money from the deposit subject to restrictions. Different banks have adopted different regulations regarding the number of times and the amount of money that can be withdrawn during a particular time. The details of the amount deposited and withdrawn are stated in the passbook. Second type of deposit is current deposit. The depositor can deposit and withdraw money many times in a day. These deposits are used mainly by traders and industrialists, and this type of deposits does not receive any interest. This is the third type, that is fixed deposit. It is an ideal for depositing money in banks by individuals and institutions for a specific period of time. The banks generally offer high interest rate for such deposit. If the money is withdrawn only after the completion of the specific time period, then the specified interest rate will be provided, but interest rate will be decreased for the premature closure. The fourth type is recurring deposit. It receives a specific amount every month for a specified period of time. The interest rate of the recurring deposits will be higher than that of the saving, but less than that of fixed deposits. The interest rate will be less if the deposits are withdrawn before the maturity date. The next kind of function of the bank, that is providing loans. Generally, there are two kinds of loans. One is cash loan, cash credit, and the second is overdraft. There will be differences in interest rating depending on the duration of loan and its purpose. Normally, bank loans are provided by accepting a collateral. That kind of loan is known as cash credit. Such collaterals are physical assets like gold, property, documents, fixed deposits, certificate, salary certificates, etc. The purpose of the loan may be varied, like agriculture purpose, industrial, constructing, purchasing vehicles or home appliances, etc. Another kind of loan, that is overdraft. This is an opportunity for a customer to withdraw money over and above the balance in his account. This facility is provided to individuals who have frequent transactions with the bank. Generally, this opportunity is provided to individuals who maintain current deposits. Here is a table which must be filled by you with the hints already given about the basic functions of the banks like accepting deposits and providing loans. Don't forget to write the table or copy it in your notebook. Then we have already learned the fact that the bank provide other facilities also. One is facility of locker. Majority of the banks provide locker facilities to individuals and institutions for keeping their valuable assets like gold, property documents, etc. One key of the locker will be with the owner and other will be with the bank. The locker can be opened only when both keys are jointly used. A certain amount is charged for availing this facility. Then second function, the second service, that is demand draft. It is a facility provided by the banks to send money from one place to another. It is not necessary to have an account for this. And the third is electronic transfer system or the mail transfer system. Banks provide an opportunity to transfer money from anywhere in the world either to one's own account or to someone else's account. Telegraphic transfer is the mechanism which can transfer money through a message. It is faster than mail transfer. The next service, that is ATM, which means automated teller machine. Today, majority of the banks have this facility. Automated teller machines of some banks provide opportunity to deposit money too. When we use ATM counter, we must follow these instructions. Then banks provide credit card facility for purchasing products without having to keep money on person. Credit card is also a plastic card. Using this, goods and services can be purchased even without having sufficient cash in one's account. The money has to be remitted to the bank later within a specific period. And our commercial banks provide services like payment of insurance premium, telephone, electricity bill, mobile recharge, rendering service like booking journey tickets, etc. And nowadays, the service pension is also distributed by these banks. In modern times, many mechanism is adopted by the modern banking sector. One among them is e-banking or electronic banking. Electronic banking is a method by which all transactions can be carried out through net banking and tele-banking. Anytime banking, anywhere banking, net banking, mobile phone banking, etc. are part of electronic banking. For this, the assistance of the bank employee is not required. So let's find how the electronic banking is helpful for the customers. Money can be sent and bills can be paid anywhere in the world from home, saves time, low service charges, etc. The next important modernization of the banking sector is the core banking or the centralized online real-time exchange banking. It is arranged in such a way that the branches of all banks are brought under a central server so that banking services from one bank to another is made possible. As a result, ATM, debit card, credit card, net banking, telebanking, mobile banking, etc. have been brought together. Naturally, transactions have become simple.